Right, so quick video on how to make another trap trigger. You've probably seen this trap trigger on my videos before, my channel before, but I may not have shown how to make it. So it's sometimes known as split stick deadfall trigger. It could be known as other names, but you know, that's the common name, I think. So all you need is one thick stick and one thin stick and a knife to carve it. So the first thing I would say is your thick stick has got to be as long as the height you want your deadfall or cage to be, if that makes sense. So if you want your deadfall or cage to only be 6 inches high, then that's how long you cut your stick, if you know what I mean. So this one's probably about a foot long roughly. And what you want to do is you want to cut this in half. Now you could cut it in the middle, but your trigger is going to be in the middle, so it might not be so good. So you might want to cut it one half slightly long, one half a bit shorter, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to cut that in half there. Try to cut it all the way through so they're smooth and not snapped off, if you know what I mean. You want to get it a nice flat cut if you can. If it's not, you can always shave a bit off. You want to hope that they'll sit on top of each other alright. See, this one looks like it wants a little bit off the bottom of here, otherwise it's not going to sit very well. So a nice flat bottom, flat top. You could always adjust it if need be when you go to set it up. If it doesn't sit, then you carve it again. So now what you want to do is with a saw, you could do it with a knife, but a saw is always easier. You want to cut a slot in one of these, well, both of them actually. You could do one, and the slot is for this stick to sit in. So be careful you don't slip and get yourself with the knife. Gotta be careful now on this part. Best to cut it slowly. You can widen it with your saw. Right, now you can do it both sides if you want, which is what I think we're going to do. once that's done, both of these should fit together back to how they were, with that one in between them. And essentially that is the trigger done. Now you may need to shorten this if it's too long or whatever, and when the animal nudges this it should come apart. So we'll go outside and we'll set it, but that's essentially it. So one thick stick, one thin stick, cut this in half to wherever you want it, and cut 2 slots so that one sits between it. Really, really simple. Right, I'll set it up and have a look. See how hard it is to set.